Hey guys, this is Hunter from Black Valve Media. Very exciting day today for the release of the 3060. Somehow, our adventures led us to one. So we have the ZOTAC. We got the ZOTAC. Not my first choice, but it is a 3060. I think if I was gonna get a 3060, I would try my best to get an EVGA, just my personal opinion. But this thing comes with a whopping 12 gigs of RAM. I think the EVGA is less than that. I'm not sure. We're gonna open it up, check it out, throw it on the computer, get a little benchmark for everybody just to see our first impressions of this card. How exciting. All right, Twin Edge Overclock Edition. Oh, so exciting. Got my little hammer ready to go. I'm gonna bust her open. Ooh, it busts. All right, these things are probably pretty simple in here. They're probably like throwing it across the room to land in the box to send out the door because there's such a hurry to do it. Nice little sleeve deal. Cool little box. Nice little present. Whoa. All right, get amplified. We got a little ZOTAC amplified. Why is it in a baggie? It's fucking psychedelic, man. Whoa! It's just a fucking bag. It's a little paperwork. In case it gets wet, you know, when you're spraying your RTX out. And oh baby, that's swag. Sick. That's swagalicious. Look at that shit.
ZOTAC.
I like ZOTAC. Zoltan. That's pretty cool. They're really blinging it out, and I think I know why. Because I think it's probably pretty fucking ugly. All right, the back is slick. Live to game. Look at that back plate. That's nice.
It's like pretty nice back plate too. It's not
like little, ooh, a single 8-pin. That's power for this bad boy. That's kind of slick. Yeah, it's not too ugly, man. I thought it was gonna be a lot uglier, honestly. That's pretty slick.
Let's see like the top of it, or like, you know, like how you see it. Yeah, I mean, that was pretty slick. I mean,
this is a little bit of a ooh, but oh well, pretty good. That looks good, man. I'm liking this. I'm actually into it. I thought it was gonna be a bit of a duckling, but I mean, there it is, man. I mean, it's a card, man.
I don't know.
Well, that's it, everybody, for our 3060 unveiling. Use the luck of the ZOTAC Zoltan.
Zoltan!